everyone. Good morning, my people. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you are, guys. I am at home. Today is a beautiful day for me, guys. But though even if it's a beautiful day, but I have some challenges. I am disappointed in a way, guys. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and help us grow as one of my community member on Jamdos TV. Guys, I have been having a problem here at home, and this problem is something that is very crucial that I wanted to share, because sometimes you are also experiencing such a problems at home. Guys, as you can see on my background, I have sugarcane here in my small garden here at home. This is a sugarcane. I have banana here, and I have some trees on my compound here. As you can see, there's some trees here like this one here. You can see this big tree here on my background. The other one here, this is a big tree. But there's a certain animal. I don't know how it's called in Kizungu, in English. I don't know how it's called in Kiswahili. At the same time, I don't know how it's called, but I know only how it's called in Kijaluo. In my mother tongue, that is Fuko. Fuko. It's called Fuko. This animal is really disturbing me. Eating stems, as you can see, just see. Have a look. Eating stems of sugarcane. This is my sugarcane. So they are always having some stunted growth here. So today I've just decided to stay at home, at least to ensure that I look for that animal. And I'm lucky enough to meet the animal by itself, you know, guys. So it's just a beautiful day, though a disappointing day. I'm disappointed with this animal, always disturbing me. Okay, guys. Today when I was trying to dig some holes in the compound, then I definitely find where that animal was, as I can show you here. I hope you can see here. This is one of the soil. It's a soil where the animal was trying to dig. So I was looking for that animal, as you can see here. As you can see. So when I was going around, I come and meet this animal here. Very, very dangerous animals. You can see this dangerous animal. Bro, you can carry this animal. You can carry this animal to ensure that you see. This is called Fuko. Still very live. Very live. And have not harmed this animal. I was trying to dig the soil here, guys. I was trying to dig on the ground. And I come across this animal. This is a very, very dangerous animal. Usually eating, can you show them? Usually eating stems. Usually eating stem is called Fuko in mother tongue. So sometimes you have some beautiful compound, but the animal is always disturbing. The only way to remove this animal is very easy. You won't use some medicine. You won't use anything. What you will do, you will just ensure that you time the animal, especially in daytime when the sun is up and there is some warmth in the ground. So you will try to dig the hole like I've just shown you here. So I have children here. These are my children here, my brother's children, mine too. They are there. So guys, as you can see, so on the other hand, I usually use this djembe. Let me have that djembe. I use this djembe, this big one, this big djembe. This one is my djembe. So I try to dig to ensure that I look where the animal itself stays in the ground. Then definitely I was lucky enough to have this animal very lively. You know, in Africa here where we are coming from, some people are usually feeding or eating this animal. They say that it's a very, very delicious animal. It's very delicious food. Yeah, it's just like a rabbit. It's like and very sweet for some people. But guys, here at home, we don't usually eat this animal. Very, very cunning at the same time. So guys, today I'm very lucky, though disappointed, because some of my trees are not doing well. Some of my trees having a stunted growth. Even they are eating bananas. So as you can see, the health of this banana itself here is not very healthy. It's not very healthy because of this deadly animal. Yeah, this deadly animal. So sometimes when you are around or you are at home, definitely you want to know the main reason why some of your plants are not doing well, that you have been infested by this animal and is around, is staying in your compound, just destroying your plants, destroying plants like this big tree here. These big trees. I was having a good number of these type of trees here, but definitely I was not lucky enough. They are always destroying me in grass, so I tried to put some grass on my compound here, guys, as you can see, but they can't do well because I was wondering what is the reason. Or I see it's raining, everything is doing well, there is fertility in the soil, but why is my plant not doing well, guys? So today is my lucky day. Though I don't know why I'm going to take it, or I will give a cat. My cat is there, so I will take it to the cat to have a taste of it. But if any case, I tend to get somebody who is also eating this type of animal, guys. I will, Marion, come and see this animal. Come. This is my kid called Marion. Marion wants to carry animal. He doesn't fear. Marion doesn't fear carrying this. Come, all of you can just come here. Fidel, you can come. Fidel, all of you, guys, they don't fear this animal. Yeah, they don't fear. Put it down. Put it on the ground. So put it on the ground. Yeah, put it on the ground, Marion. Yeah, okay. You can see. Very deadly animal. Yeah, very deadly. So, yeah, and at the same time, is moving, still alive. So, guys, is my lucky day. This is my lucky day. Bro, you can help me carry this animal again. But you must be very careful. I don't know if it's very. Yeah. So, guys, the story of this animal itself. If you can see the teeth itself, it has some teeth like hooks. That's some teeth like hooks. Very dangerous, you know. Guys, so today I'm very lucky and I'm very happy. It's my happiest day. In as much I'm disappointed by this animal, but I told you very well that I don't know the way it's called in Kiswahili, but I only know in mother tongue it's called fuko. So I don't know if you are living in USA, you are living in Africa, you are living in Netherlands, you are in a part of the world, you have to sometimes come across this type of animal. But mostly they are found in Africa. They are found in Africa. Sometimes you have also some dangerous weeds. They are also very, very bad. This animal is usually eating roots, depending on roots so much. But it's always depending on cassava, sweet potatoes. Yeah, so in my area, you know, sometimes it's always destroys some plant like cassavas, and also destroying some always kumawikis. So guys, today in as much I'm at home, but though I am very happy, I'm very lucky to have this animal, guys. Very live, very, very live animal, guys. So thank you so much. If you are here for the first time, please consider subscribing on my YouTube channel, but ensure that if you have such a problem, you can definitely pick your djembe and always look where you see there is a certain heap, a small heap of soil that is still fresh. Know very well that animal is there. So what you will do, just starting digging that place to ensure that you find where the animal itself is living, guys. So I'm very happy for you guys, my people too, to share this type of story with you guys. So if you are here, please, I am happy with you guys. Thank you so much for being part of Jamdoz TV. Thank you so much for always supporting my content, guys. As you know, you really depend on doing stories, and these are true stories. These are true story. Like that's the true story from my garden. And I know I have friends who also having such a problem, guys. So if you know that you have such a problem, don't worry. You can contact me on my bio. You can DM on my email. You can call me, and my number's down there. Yeah? Then I tell you, or I can help you too. I can come to your home and help. You know, some people who are coming around also are the same people are having such a problem like the one I am having. So guys, because I fear killing animal, I can't kill that animal. So that's why it is still there. Yeah, it is still there, but I can't kill this animal. Yeah, so I'll just look the way I call agriculture, and I don't know, it's a wild animal. I don't know how it's called. It's rodent. Yeah, rodent, guys. This is a rodent feeding on stems, so it's called rodents, guys. Very, very dangerous animal. Guys, thank you much for being in my platform. Thank you so much, guys. I really love you. I really cherish you. Be blessed, guys. Keep on sharing. Keep on commenting. Keep on motivating. At the same time, be here at Jamdos TV as one of community member. At the same time, you can join my YouTube live whenever I'm live on YouTube. I usually come live on Saturdays, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. So guys, if you are there, please, you can join. At the same time, I have a community. You can join on my YouTube channel. You can follow me on my TikTok account and my Facebook account, guys. I have good stories that are coming, but they are reality vlogs, guys. Thank you so much, guys. May God bless you. See you once again.